nature of the roots of a quadratic expression, right? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0 is a standard form of a quadratic expression where a comma b comma c are real numbers, where a comma b comma c are real numbers. So the nature of the roots of a quadratic expression is depending on the discriminant. So which is called the discriminant? b square minus 4ac. It is representing with the delta. The nature of the roots of a quadratic expression is depending on the discriminant. Discriminant nothing but b square minus 4ac. Generally we denote the discriminant with the delta. So it satisfying the following conditions. So by using these conditions we can declare how its nature. So first one equal to 0. Delta, when you are applying the values of ABC on the discriminant, if it becomes 0, then we say that the roots are real. See here, if delta is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. When delta is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Distinct means some finite value. Roots are real and distinct. Next, third one, delta is less than 0. Delta is less than 0. That is say that the roots are non-real or complex numbers are conjugate to each other. Complex numbers conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. So these are the conditions. So find the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Let me see one problem. 2x square minus 8x plus 3. 2x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. Without finding the roots, we can identify how its nature. So for finding the nature of the roots, how can you find? By using the discriminant. So for that you have to take the values of a, b, c. Where a is equal to 2, x square quotient, and b is equal to x quotient, that is minus 8, and its constant is 3. So here you have to find its nature. So I am using discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to b square. B square means minus 8 whole square minus 4 into here a value 2, c value 3. So what is getting now? 64 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 4 minus 4 0, 6 minus 2 4. So what is delta value? 40. So 40 means is a positive or negative? Positive value. Delta is greater than 0. 40 is greater than 0. That means it is a positive value. Then what we can say? How it is nature? How its nature? Real and distinct. Therefore roots are real and distinct. So like this you can identify by finding the nature, by finding the discriminant of the quadratic equation. By that you can identify the roots are real and distinct, or the roots are real and equal, or the roots are imaginary or conjugate. By using discriminant you can find out. So 9x square minus 30x plus 25 equal to 0. 9x square minus 30x plus 25 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. You have to find its nature. So tell me the values of a, b, c. Here a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 30, c is equal to 25. Here you have to find its nature. So we know that how can you find the nature? By using the discriminant. By using the discriminant, we can find its nature. So delta is equal to b square. Here b means minus 30. So it becomes minus 30 whole square minus 4 into a value 9, c value 25. So delta equal to minus 30 square is how much? 900. Minus 30 square is 900. Anyway, it is negative, but power is even, so it becomes positive. Minus 25 fours are 100, 100 nines are 900. So delta is equal to how much? 0. So your discriminant value is 0. Then what can you say? Its roots are real and equal. Therefore, roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. So like this you can identify the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. Please note. See here, I am taking a quadratic equation x square minus 12x plus 32 equal to 0. So find the values of ABC. A means x square quotient, that is 1, b is equal to x quotient, that is minus 12, and constant is 32. You have to find its nature. So by finding nature you have to remember it is depending on the discriminant. So take the discriminant. Which is called discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So apply the values. B value minus 12. So minus 12 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 32. So delta is equal to minus 12 square 144 minus 32 fours are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So what you are getting now? Positive or negative? Which one you are getting now? Positive. Okay. 14 minus 8. 6. 3 minus 2. 1. So what is delta value here? 16. 16 how can you write? 4 square. So it is a perfect square. Every perfect square is also real. And it is a rational also. When the discriminant value is a perfect square, then what can you say? The roots are rational and distinct. Otherwise you can say it is a real and distinct also. No problem. Therefore, roots here 4 square is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Therefore, roots are real, or you can say rational also. No problem. Rational and distinct. When it is a perfect square, then we say that the roots are rational. The roots are rational. Rational means you get the roots in the form of p by q. When it is possible, when it is a perfect square, then the roots are in the form of p by q. That's why here we are saying that the roots are rational and distinct. And we know that every rational number is also a real number. So you can say it as real also. Okay? Please copy. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
When delta is a perfect square, here clearly by factorizing this equation we get the rational roots. Rational means p by q form. Here for example, if I am getting 2 and 3, we know that 2 and 3 is also rational. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1, 3 by 1. They are also rational only. So every rational number is a real. So you can say either it has a real or rational. Okay? Quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. I am finding its nature. So what is a value here? 2. B is equal to minus 7. C is equal to 10. Now we have to find its nature. So for that I am using the discriminant. So delta is equal to b square. B means here minus 7. Minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a value is into c value 10. So what you are getting here now? Minus 7 square 49 minus 2 4s are 8. 8 10s are 18. So which value you are getting now? Positive or negative? Negative. 10 minus 9. 1, 7, 7 minus 4, 3. Negative. So which value you are getting here? Minus 31. Minus 31 means it is negative. Therefore what can you say here? Delta is less than 0. When the delta is less than 0, then the roots are non-real or complex numbers or imaginary or they are conjugate to each other. Therefore, the roots are non-real or you can say complex numbers or complex numbers is nothing but imaginary. Complex numbers or imaginary roots are conjugate to each other. The roots are conjugate. So you can say anyone in this. You can say anyone in this. In this three you can say anyone. The roots are non-real roots or they may be complex numbers or imaginary roots or they are conjugate to each other. Right? Is it clear? So like this you can find the nature of the roots. So the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation is depending on the discriminant. So which is called discriminant? B square minus 4AC representing with delta. When delta is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. When delta is greater than 0, either it may be a perfect square or real value. So then we say that the roots are real and distinct. When delta is less than 0, the roots are what they are? Non-real or complex numbers or imaginary you can say. Otherwise they are conjugate to each other. Okay?